All-time greats, they live by the code. Keep driving even when they on a bumpy road. Be patient even when the progress is slow. Keep pushing even when they pack a heavy load. Gratitude's important, so make sure it shows. Ignite the pilot light and soon it will explode. Driven like I'm Harvick on the asphalt. Hard work, it really pays them back to blast off. Recall they used to treat me like a cast off. Was broken, now I'm healed, take this cast off. Time to show the real me, take this mask off. My future's so bright, they turn the flash off. I'm fueled up, they better turn the gas off. They coughing in my smoke, watch me dash y'all. Hope you feel the same way too. Hope this message stick like glue. Gray skies always turn to blue if you just keep pushing through. Believe it, you no time for pessimism. Your haters always selling skepticism. Success is earned, you get no nepotism. Massive execution is a mechanism. You get out what you put in. Facts. Success is what you cook in. Facts. They pull but you keep pushing. Facts. 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 Success in life comes when you simply refuse to give up. You have to be driven to greatness. You have to be driven to do things that others won't do on a daily basis. You have to be so driven that goals, obstacles, failures, and losses only serve as motivation and fuel. Hustle beats talent when talent doesn't hustle. The sweat that you gave is why you got the muscle. If you water your seed, you sprout up like a Brussels. But life will keep swinging, stay ready for the tussle. Keep driving like an Uber till you get that lift. This speech is to remind you that you got a gift. And always wake you up when you start to drift. And give you the courage to jump off that cliff. And land softly on your bed of dreams. You came to win, and winners always get the rings. Your attitude is excellence personified. The new you lives, the old you died. Now you're driven like your Harvick on the asphalt. Hard work, it really pays you back to blast off. Recall they used to treat you like a cast off. Was broken, now you healed, take the cast off. Time to show the real you, take the mask off. Your future's so bright, they turn the flash off. You're fueled up, they better turn the gas off. They coughing in your smoke, on and dash off. Tell them you won't lose, you're driven. 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 What they don't understand is that you're so driven to succeed. Whatever you focus on, they better get out of your way, because you will achieve it. Your heart will never allow you to lose. So no matter what the obstacle is, no matter what they put in front of you, you will push, you will power through, because you're driven. You're driven to success. You're driven to greatness. And you will reach your destination of next level. This is a great day to win.
Don't try to stop me. Not for me, I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything, really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better grab yourself a sack and tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up, it's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up, live the life you want now, a life you don't.